Right, we've got an ALX 22408. There's the X47 and an X30 coming in. And we've got a 43 here for Cramlington. Pride bus is just shifting around in Eldon, as well as the X30, and the 43's off. And a Q3's just arrived in. Pride bus is moving in Eldon. And my camera looks awful. Needs a clean, but you know, the day's coming to an end now, so is it really worth cleaning it? Not much is happening. Right, we've got a 309 for Blythe, which is about to come on a 310, I think. And we've also got a 308 out for Blythe. Oh no, he's coming in. 7505. We've got the Durham bus coming in. 5401. Oh, and there's the LX. Black X-Line 6377. And 6375. And there's 7517 and a Pulsar, and that'll end the day. Thanks for watching.